Everyone said to us it's dangerous, we don't think it's going to work. And so we decided just to be bold and just say let's go for it and let's try and let's see what's possible. I'm Olivier Blontrock and I'm Managing Director of the Vlassenroot Group together with my brother-in-law Nicolas Wibo. We've been working over 30 years with high-strength steel, supplying to the mobile crane and telehandler industry. And it's a really niche market and there's not a lot of people that do what we do. So we got this inquiry from our customer and we looked at the drawings, and the drawings implied plates of over 15 meters. We said, hang on, our suppliers are limited to 14.6 meters. And then we looked at our capabilities and our bending was limited to 15. So we had two big challenges in terms of length when we received the drawings that we saw immediately we needed to solve. We have a long relationship with the CCB, and that relationship means that for us it's our go-to partner. So we asked them, can you supply something that's longer than 14.6 meters? Having perhaps an initial, what is this about, how, why, and for which project, I think SCCB was quickly rather positive and rather encouraging. Strenx material allows you to go thinner and at the same time keep the strength of a structure. So the elastic properties of the steel allow for lighter construction, lighter weight of the plates. And that's really the core of what Strenx is about. It doesn't break, it doesn't deflect, it doesn't deform when it's under higher pressure. You can deform the material a lot and it will always go back to its original shape. It presented quite a lot of challenges because with these huge forces being developed by the machine, it can break and bend and deform everything just by the sheer power of it. So we needed to bend something that was really precise with the machine that was really powerful and the tooling that needed to hold these big pressures and give that precision. And that was a challenge on the 15+ meters because we hadn't done that before. And our bending machine was too short, so we had to extend it. Bending itself is a simple process. You bend steel by having a punch go into a die. But when you go to high-strength material, it's completely different. It's much more complex. The material changes and is bending differently over the length of the plate. And that is really the craftsmanship of our people, is to be able to measure it, to adapt it over the length of the plate. It's not stable as a process, so craftsmanship is key in there. We've also invested in more automation of the welding, especially laser hybrid welding. Laser hybrid welding process presents some unique benefits, which is the strength of the weld is very close to the base material and sometimes even higher. But I think the end customers are really passionate about the products that they are using. They're working on these unique projects and they're doing that with unique machines. Well, the most stressful moment in our project was really linked to the moment we've put this plate on the machine. I mean, you can almost feel it when you bend it because the machine is so big and the power is so big that there's some kind of vibration. So you feel that material getting pressed and getting deformed, and you look at the material and you look at the machine and you're just hoping that everything holds. And so when that bend goes down and the pressure releases and everything seemed to be okay and the measurements seemed to be fine, a lot of excitement that you feel at that moment of everything we've done in the previous months, and everything comes together at that moment because that was really our challenge for Vlassenroot. It's a market that is at the forefront of the energy transition. Other facilities that are being built, they require this heavy lifting as the components that are being used to source this energy are getting bigger and bigger. So the requirements are getting tougher and tougher and more challenging. And for us, it's exciting to follow that trend and to follow these customers that are growing and are developing these products that always go a little bit further. The project presented some major challenges that really had us working together and really think about the different aspects and risks and solutions for the different products we faced. But we'll happily do it again.